Hi, welcome back. This week we're talking about Chapter 10, Recreation, Attractions, and Clubs. I'm sure most of you are quite familiar with the various forms of recreation and attractions, as Southern California is full of this form of entertainment. The book gives an overview of the various types of recreation, attractions, and clubs across the country, but I want to take a different look at the operation and management of these businesses and organizations. The one thing that all of these tourism outlets have in common is people. Without a dedicated and competent staff, none of these attractions, parks, or clubs could function. For many of these operations, staffing is their largest expense. Let's start by looking at outdoor recreation. The national parks require countless staff to serve the millions of visitors they attract each year. Scientists and conservation staff work to protect the plant and animal life found in the parks. Grounds crews maintain the trails, picnic areas, roadways throughout the park. Rangers provide information and assistance to visitors. Hospitality staff provides lodging, dining, and entertainment options to visitors. All of the staff members are critical to the operation of the parks. Theme parks require even more staff to operate. Think about every ride, every show, every shop, every restaurant throughout a theme park. Each one of these may require 2 to 20 customer-facing employees to operate at any given time. We should also consider all of the behind-the-scenes staff. Think about how many people Disneyland might have working to support park operations. Management, accounting, human resources, security, costuming, kitchen staff, marketing, you name it. Clubs offer a wide range of employment opportunities as well. A country club may employ culinary staff, event planners, golf and tennis professionals, swimming instructors and lifeguards, personal trainers, as well as office staff. Depending on the club's offerings, there will be various departments and several managers, all working toward the common goal of providing its members with an unparalleled experience and quality service. Museums have a unique employment opportunities as well. The museums employ staff who perform research and curate exhibits. Maintenance and housekeeping staff have the unique challenge of working around historical artifacts, one-of-a-kind artwork, or larger-than-life displays. Tour guides need to be well-versed in all areas pertaining to the museum's current and past exhibitions and anticipate any questions visitors may have. There are so many unique employment opportunities in this sector of the hospitality industry. I doubt people grow up thinking they want to be an accountant for Yosemite National Park, or work in human resources at the Smithsonian, or be a landscaper at Legoland. But hospitality businesses are companies like any other and require all of the typical departments and staff to function. Even though many of these staff members may not directly interact with guests and visitors, their roles are critical to the operation, enabling the guest-facing staff to provide exceptional service to their visitors. I know some of you are not hospitality majors and are not looking for a customer service-related career. However, I would strongly encourage you to look into the hospitality industry for career opportunities in an area that interests you. As one of the largest and fastest growing industries, regardless of your role, you will likely find a career full of opportunity and success in this industry. Where do you see yourself working in the hospitality industry?